Hey, I'm Rachel Ngom from she'smakinganimpact.com, and I'm answering your question today. This comes from Bree Sisson, and she asks, how do you balance the different areas of your life, work, family, fun, etc.? So something that I've started to do, because I have the tendency to be a workaholic and work all the time, I make sure that I schedule in downtime and I batch my work. And so Mondays are content days, and I know every single Monday morning that's going to be a content day, but I don't schedule anything in the afternoon. So if I do need to work, I work, but I could go do fun and meet a friend for coffee or get a pedicure or get a massage or something like that. I batch and work my tail off Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. So those are the days where I do a lot of content creation and a lot of client calls. So I usually have back-to-back calls Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. And so I do this because I know a lot of times we're traveling on the weekends and we might get back on Monday. And if I need to, I can write a blog post in the car or something like that, or on an airplane, and I won't have to reschedule a bunch of client calls. And then Friday, I typically save as a free day or a fun day. Because I've worked my tail off Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, I feel like I deserve to have a little bit of fun on Friday. So I'll catch up on anything that needs to be caught up on. If I'm creating a course or doing some kind of content that needs to be done, I'll do it, but I'll set a timer and I'll see how much I can get done in the least amount of time. So normally I'll set a timer for an hour and just sit down and work and work and work. And I'll put my phone on airplane mode and just hustle. And then when I'm done, I turn it off and I go play. And so it might be riding a bike, it might be meeting a friend, getting a massage, having a date afternoon with my husband, just kind of depends. But by batching my work, by setting a timer, and by putting all those things together Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, it gives me more time to have free time, fun time, anything that I want. And I make sure to schedule that in and not to overload my schedule. So I hope that helps. Make sure to head to the blog she'smakinganimpact.com for more tips to build your business.